Pollensa is a place that invites you to explore many things. The natural environment is marvellous. The city is full of passages to explore, and art lovers can also amuse themselves in the local museum. Apart from the Pollensa Museum, it's worth a visit to the Martí Vicenç Museum, especially if you've never visited the factory of traditional fabrics of Mallorca in Santa María. Martí Vicenç was born in Pollensa in 1926, and he followed the steps of his ancestors. His father was also a weaver and experimented with the fabric of yengues, a characteristic fabric of Mallorca that combines the white and blue or the green and red in a way that the colours create tongue shapes. Around 1945, when the industry of Pollensa began to flourish after years of recession, Martí Vicenç created the textile company Galleries Vicenç and developed a wide collection of textiles with innovative ideas, although he always kept the spirit of the yengue fabrics. Part of the craft production can be seen in the Martí Vicenç Museum, located in Can Signet, a building of the 17th century that formerly was part of a monastery. Its location is also special because it's situated at the beginning of the Calvari, the cavalry, a steep stone slope with 365 steps. In this museum, you can visit all the rooms. The first of them is a loom room, where the most common instruments for the manufacture of textiles are exhibited. In the middle of this room, there's an old loom with a warp still assembled and a launcher prepared to be used. Among all the yengue fabrics of the artist, one stands out. The one that received an award in 1980 at the International Fair of Vanguard Craftsmanship of Barcelona.